Okay students, take second example. Find the mode of the given data. The class interval and frequency they are given. So in the first column I'll write the class interval. Second column I'll write the frequencies. Here now which is the maximum frequency? 9. So 9 is the maximum frequency, that is the value of F1. So now maximum frequency 9 lies between the class interval 20 to 30. So 20 to 30 is the model class here. So now the model class is 20 to 30 because maximum frequency lies between the class interval 20 to 30. So here 20 is the lower limit, 30 is the upper limit. So now L value, we need to find the mode, we need the value of L. So L is the lower limit of the model class. So L value is 20. Then we need F1 value, maximum frequency, that is 9. F0 is the frequency of the class preceding the model class, before the model class, previous one. So F0 is equal to 5. F2 is the frequency of the model class, that is next succeeding to the model class. So next to the model class, so it is 5. Next, size of the class interval, H value. Here the difference between upper limit and lower limit is 10. 10 minus 0, 20 minus 10, 30 minus 20. So H value is 10. Now substitute all these values in the mode formula. Mode is equal to L plus F1 minus F0 divided by 2F1 minus F0 minus F2 into H. L value 20 plus F1 9 minus F0 is 5 divided by 2 into F1. 2 into 9 minus F0 is 5. F2 is also 5 into H value 10. 20 plus 9 minus 5. 4 divided by 2 nines are 18 minus 5 minus 5 into 10. 20 plus 4 divided by 18 minus 5, 13. 13 minus 5, 8 into 10. 20 plus 4 into 10, 40 divided by 8. 8 ones are 8, 5s are, so 20 plus 5, that is 25. Therefore the mode is 25. Okay.